Hello students, in the previous class we discussed about forming certain polynomial equations. Today we shall see some other numericals. The first numerical that you have here is, if alpha, beta, gamma, alpha, beta, 1 are the roots of x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, then find alpha and beta. You are given three roots. You are given alpha, beta, 1 as the roots. You have to find alpha, beta. Okay. So consider x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now here, what is alpha plus beta plus gamma? Alpha plus beta plus 1 is equal to minus p by a. That is minus of minus 2, which is 2. This implies alpha plus beta is equal to 2 minus 1, which is 1. This implies alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Similarly, let us consider product of roots alpha, beta, gamma. This is minus, plus and minus. So you get minus 6. Alpha, beta into 1 is minus 6. So alpha, beta is equal to minus 6. You have alpha plus beta, you have alpha, beta. We shall find alpha and beta. Alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. That is, what is alpha plus beta that you have? 1. 1 square minus 4 into minus 6. So you have 1 plus 24, which is equal to 25. Alpha minus beta whole square is 25. Alpha minus beta is root 25. Alpha minus beta is 5. Call this as equation 1. Call this as equation 2. Solve 1 and 2. Alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Alpha minus beta is equal to 5. Add both equations. 2 alpha is equal to 6. Alpha is equal to 6 by 2. That is equal to 3. Put alpha is equal to 3 in 1. What is 1? Alpha plus beta is equal to 1. 3 plus beta is equal to 1. Beta is equal to 1 minus 3. Beta is equal to minus 2. Therefore, alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to minus 2. What we have done here is, first we took sum of roots. Sum of roots is minus p, that is minus of minus 2, which is 2. From this you get alpha plus beta value, that is 1. Similarly, alpha, beta, gamma is minus p3, which is minus 6. Alpha, beta into 1 is minus 6. We have to find alpha minus beta whole square. What is alpha minus beta whole square? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. That is 1 square minus 4 into minus 6. 1 plus 24, which is 25. Alpha minus beta whole square is 25. Alpha minus beta is root 25, which is 5. Solving 1 and 2, you get alpha value as 3 and beta value as minus 2. Let us discuss the next problem. Next question. If alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0, then find first one summation alpha square beta square, second summation alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Let us look into this problem. Consider x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Here sum of roots alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus of minus 2, which is 2. So alpha plus beta, alpha beta, beta gamma, alpha gamma is equal to 3. Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus of minus 4, which is 4. Now first thing that we have to find out is summation alpha square beta square, that is equal to alpha square beta square gamma square alpha square gamma square, a square plus b square plus c square, which is alpha beta beta gamma alpha gamma whole square minus 2 alpha beta gamma into alpha plus beta plus gamma. So what is alpha beta beta gamma? Gamma square 3, gamma whole square is 3, so this is 3 square. 2 into alpha beta gamma is 4, alpha plus beta plus gamma is 2. This is 9 minus 16, which is minus 7. Similarly we shall find what is summation alpha beta into alpha plus beta. I shall do it here. Now consider summation alpha beta into alpha plus beta, that is equal to alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. If you open this, you got two terms, beta gamma square plus gamma square beta, gamma square alpha plus gamma square alpha square gamma alpha square beta is over, beta square gamma is over. Next you have alpha square beta square gamma square. Next you have alpha square gamma plus alpha gamma square. Alpha gamma square, beta square, this is gamma beta square. That's everything you have 2 alpha square beta, alpha square gamma, right, alpha beta square beta gamma. Okay. Now this can be written as alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma into alpha plus beta plus gamma minus 3 into alpha beta gamma. This entire expression can be written like this: alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha is nothing but 3 into sum of roots 2 minus 3 into alpha beta gamma 4. This is 6 minus 12, which is minus 6. minus 6. That's about this problem. Note down. Next set of problem that you have. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of x cube plus px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0, then find the following. Here, consider x cube plus px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. S1 sum of roots alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus p. S2 sum of roots taken 2 at a time alpha beta, beta gamma, alpha gamma. Q S3 alpha beta gamma minus r. Now first thing that we have to find out is 1 by alpha square beta square, summation 1 by alpha square beta square. This is, if you open this, you get 1 by alpha square beta square plus 1 by beta square gamma square plus 1 by alpha square gamma square. What is missing in the numerator? Gamma square alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta gamma alpha square beta square gamma square. So this can be written as, you have alpha beta gamma whole square minus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma by alpha beta gamma whole square. So this is nothing but minus p whole square minus 2 into q by minus r whole square. That will give you p square by minus 2q by r square. That's about this problem. I want you to do a small homework. In the homework problem you take summation beta square plus gamma square by beta gamma. I want you to take this as homework. Let us do the next problem. Take this problem as homework. We shall do the next problem. Yes, the third one. Beta plus gamma minus 3 alpha. Alpha plus gamma, gamma plus alpha minus 3 beta. Alpha plus beta minus 3 gamma. Now, we can add one alpha and subtract one alpha, then you get alpha plus beta plus gamma minus 4 alpha. Alpha plus beta plus gamma minus 4 beta. Alpha plus beta plus gamma minus 4 gamma. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus p. You get minus p minus 4 alpha, minus p minus 4 beta, minus p minus 4 gamma. If you take minus sign common throughout, you have minus of p plus 4 alpha, p plus 4 beta, p plus 4 gamma. This will give you minus of p cube, or we'll multiply it and see what we get. P into p square plus 4 beta p plus 4 alpha p plus 16 alpha beta into p plus 4 gamma. And this will give you minus of p cube plus 4 beta p square, p cube 4 beta p square, p into all terms we are doing, 4 beta p square plus 4 alpha p square plus 16 alpha beta p and 4 gamma. 4 gamma p square plus 16 gamma beta into p plus 16 alpha gamma alpha p into gamma. Next you have 4 16s are 64 alpha beta gamma. Now here you can take p cube, p square and p common. So what is that you get? If you take p square, p and alpha beta gamma to one side, you have minus of p cube plus p square into 4 beta plus 4 gamma plus 4 alpha plus 4 gamma plus 16p into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma plus 64 alpha beta gamma. This is what you have. Substitute here, you can take 4p square out. If you take 4p square out, you have alpha beta gamma. So here you get minus p cube plus 4p square into what is alpha plus beta plus gamma, minus 4 minus p plus 16p into alpha beta beta gamma, all this will give you q plus 64 into minus r. That will finally give you minus p cube plus 4p cube, minus I have taken it inside, plus 4p cube minus 16p cube minus plus 64r. 4p cube minus p cube, that will be 3p cube minus 16p cube plus 64r. This is what you will get.